Hey guys, so today I've got the witch casket for January to show you. This is a super full box. You can't really see, but it's like bursting. It is packed full. So I'm assuming there's going to be some bigger items in here. If you've not seen me open this before, it is a UK box and it's £29 for new subscribers. They do post it worldwide. It's all different prices. I will write what I know down below in the description, but obviously you might have to go and check for your country on their website. So we are just going to open this. Like I said, this is January's and the theme is mindful magic. Now, straight away, this is a different booklet than usual. Usually they are this kind of way and they open that way. This way we've got a landscape one. But basically this is just a little book that tells you all about the items in the box in more detail in case you need it. And it usually gives you the theme of colours. So this one is black and sort of like a burnt orange kind of colour. So that is our little booklet. Then next we have our print for the month, and this one is like a landscape kind of theme. It's kind of got like mountains in the background, nighttime, toadstools, and a little creepy house over here. So that is our art print. Then we've got our spell kit. So this one is Bright Blessings Bath and Shower Ritual. Contains everything you need to appreciate your blessings. So I'm going to open this and show you what is in here. Okay, so we have our little instruction card. I will hold it up here in case anyone wants to quickly pause and read it or write it down. That's the instructions. Then we've got like a little kind of tea bag sort of thing. We have some rose petals, some marigold petals, and some chamomile. So those are the 3 herb bags that we get with our spell kit this month, and that was everything in there. Then we have our tea. So you pretty much always get a tea. I wish they would do coffee. Someone did say in a video recently the reason that they do tea is because it's like herbs and stuff for spells, so that did make a lot more sense to me. This one is Mindful Witch's Brew. So they used to do a loose leaf, now you just get 2 little tea bags, and it says, relax and be mindful with this magical blend of chamomile and lavender. Brew with intent, stir clockwise and affirm, I release all my anxiety and accept the present, so mote it be. So that is our little tea. Then we have a little bag. So this is like a little silky pouch. It's got orange strings. And it says New Beginnings on the front. And in here we have a little wooden egg with like a design on it. So it says that this is a wooden meditation egg, apparently. It says, made of wood for its grounding properties and etched with our New Beginnings sigil, our exclusive meditation egg can be used as a tactile meditation aid or placed on your altar to beautifully symbolize creativity, rebirth, and new beginnings. So, wooden meditation egg. Not something I have ever heard of before, but pretty cool though. So there is that. Then we have another little pouch that says, so mote it be. It's got green strings and the writing is orange, so it's kind of opposite of the last one. And in here we have a little candle, spell candle holder. It's got a pentacle on there, and again it's wooden, and it's called Wooden Spell Candle Holder. So it says, choose your spell candle according to your intention. Visualize your desires becoming a reality and then light the candle when you're feeling full of joy and gratitude for that positive outcome. Visualize and give thanks as the candle burns. So, cute little candle holder. Then we have our pin. You always get a pin. This one is a little set of candles and it says Mindful Magic on it. So just a little enamel pin. Then we have our crystal. You pretty much always get a gemstone crystal, something like that. This one is a green jasper. So that is what our little tumbled green jasper looks like. And it says on the card, green jasper is a nurturing stone which supports us during times of anxiety and stress and promotes peace and tranquility. It protects from negative energy and promotes contentment. So that's nice, little green jasper. Then we've got some little spell candles for the spell candle holder. So there is white, black, grey and green, and it says these can be used as part of any spell or ritual. Use the colour to match your intention. So white is for cleansing, purifying, or you can substitute it for any colour. Black is for protection, banishing and hex breaking. Grey is for balance, wisdom, stability and compromise, and green is for money, abundance and good fortune. So that is those 4 in there. Then we have some incense sticks. These are sandalwood and patchouli. I love sandalwood, but I hate patchouli. So not really my kind of scent. They are very earthy smelling, like soil and stuff. Not really my thing, but these are, what are these? Mindful meditation incense. So that is those. And then we have one last thing. Oh no, we have 2 things. Okay. One thing hiding at the bottom. So we have this which says, what's your poison? I'm going to assume it's a cup or a mug. This is what was making the box fill out, I think. Yeah, so cute little mug. It's got some packing peanuts dust on there, but one side says witch casket. It's like a metal camping sort of mug, and the other side says what's your poison. So that is very cute. And then there is actually another bigger item at the bottom which I didn't see before because it was lying on the bottom, and this is a mindful magic little notebook. That's really cute. It's kind of like a matte black with a bit more of a shiny design on there. Hopefully it's showing up on camera. It looks a little grey, but it's definitely black in person. And oh, okay, so this is what the pages look like. So it says journal entry, date, I am most grateful for, I learned this, one magical thing I did today, and some kind words about myself. So it's like a little journal kind of book, which is really cute. And it has a silky little green ribbon bookmark kind of thing as well. So a little mindful magic book. And then we do have the scroll, so I will quickly open this so you can pause and read it if you want to. So this is the Magic of Mindfulness. I will hold it up in case you want to pause and read it. You might have to zoom in because it's really tiny, but that is our scroll. And yeah, that was everything in our January witch casket. So I will quickly hold it up and show you it all together at once. So there was the Mindful Magic little journal book, the Bright Blessings bath or shower ritual spell kit, the little art print, the New Beginnings little wooden meditation egg, the Pentacle spell candle holder, the Mindful Magic pin, the 2 Mindful Witches Brew tea bags, the green jasper, the 4 little spell candles, the incense sticks, and the mug, along with the scroll as well. So all of these things in the January witch casket with the scroll. I thought this was a pretty good box, definitely a full one. Not massively my kind of stuff, honestly. I think this one is more of a witchy one. I prefer when they're like the decor items and stuff, really. But still really cute though. I like this journal. This is my favourite. I think it's really pretty. So you'll have to let me know what you thought of this one down below in the comments. I'll put all the information for Witch Casket down below as well in case you want to go and check them out. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.